Ghanaian. Who know they love Shatta Wale? Tell me, who know they love Shatta Wale? That they mean say, if Shatta Wale they kill somebody self, make we tell us say, if it's so, kill the person. You they mad. Who know they love Shatta Wale? Everybody go talk say, oh, solve them out, solve them slowly with Shatta Wale. Be Shatta Wale, say how many times man try solve things out with them. They think say be God, you know be God. No point, you don't feed nobody. I no benefit one CD from Wale before. One CD. I no benefit one CD from Wale before. Me, I no benefit one CD from Wale before. Now we don't want to talk. We don't want to talk because say what? Because say we know plenty of people where then they accept for life where they be big people. So we all every do and they will talk to Wale. Wale know they try. Wale know be real. You know, talk to Wale. Now we all will be fed up. Those people now I no go can't any of you can't tell you anything again. I just go voice out my opinion. Shatta Wale be opportunist. Very opportunist. Yes, I talk. We are going to talk again. Wale be very opportunist. Yeah. Wale get talent too. We already like Wale. Oh, we already like Wale. Who know they like Wale? Wale be one of the most talented Ghanaian musician where who know they like. So some of the dirty follow back. Dirty followers. Dirty unemployed followers. Cause see you KOD they talk, they can't this KOD. Biz Wale say what he do give KOD before. Bizam. No, Biz Wale, you what you do give KOD before. Biz Wale, you even give KOD one CD set before. When they follow Wale, they show him love. If be fame, what are they take fame do? Did fame buy my car for me? Did fame bring me to the UK? Did fame pay my fees for me? You they mad. When Wale self give me shout out before for Facebook. Wale if you give me shout out for Facebook, you know they tag me for inside. Wale never tag me for it. He said he just go right. He just go give you shout out. He never tagged me for anything inside before. He never tagged me. Maybe, well he never tagged me for it. Go check Wale in war. So what will Wale do give me where some of you dirty followers, if I they talk, you can't dare that you go to talk some. You can't dare that they talk some. You can't dare that they talk as if somebody be small boy. Or as if Wale give somebody money. But you see, this is what I they want. But now I block you. So I won't block all the dirty people. All the stupid people. Comment your name. I don't want to have you people for my war again. Yes, because some of you make sure say you don't want to learn sense. You don't want to learn common sense. So I'm not going to have any of you for my war again. So at the back, comment your name, make I block you. Comment your name, I know that I block you. Oh, SM30 boys, comment your name for blocking. Me, I said they give you free blocking. Comment your name, I go block you. Don't follow me again. If you follow me, I will educate you too much. Don't follow me. I dey love Wale. I dey love Wale. Make I tell people something today. I dey love Wale. But you see, plenty people they tell me say, oh Wale there, it be so idea. So bro, you know we all manage small. I know they manage small. I go tell her my mind. We no go vibe again. There I go my way. Plenty of the boys then get problem, but Wale there be so, Wale there be so. What do you mean say Wale there be so? You dey mad? If be so say waiting. If it be so if I change. Mumpe nukre won kwa siafo mumpe nukre yeka nukre na mumpe I dey lie. Yeah, Wale be somebody where if you dey there he go left you make it see say you chop president right now or make it see say maybe you win you see for news BBC say they say KOD go take $40 million before Wale go come post you say he know you. That be Wale. I dey tell you today. That be Wale. Wale, if you don't be successful, you don't know you. You don't take you do anything. I dey tell you people today. Ataya. I dey come. Make a jam attack. Me today, I make my mind say me. I just go talk my mind. Me, I know they care. I go talk my mind. Me, I know they care. Me, Wale, you don't do anything for me before. Me, I try come things out with Wale. Wale thinks say be God. Wale, you know be God. KOD, I say you know be God. You block me for WhatsApp. You block it. You know me say I diss you. I just tell you, say, yo, we know they do that. I just give you principles of life. No, you block me for WhatsApp. No, you can't Facebook too. You can't block me. Why they block you? Your ass I go pass, go through heavy. We all will be dirty, yo. We all will be dirty. See, we all will be dirty. We all will be dirty. Wait. Your music, if you do where they job, you go put out for internet top. If you put out for internet top, you know if you talk say KOD shouldn't listen to this song. You go there for everybody. Make a good see me the best sir. Because he dey jump. Well, he get talent too, but they do too much. Maybe this thing, maybe the fame they get into your head. Yeah, if they get into your head, you for cool down. Always using voice for his eye. Yes, if for no, while for cool down. Because see, while they come UK, and them are somewhere. So blade need their blade. You I don't know, blade. If you can't write me again for WhatsApp, you can see I give you warning. You blade, I give you warning. You be fake past everybody. That blade they follow Wally. That blade guy where they follow Wally. It be fake past everybody. That blade guy, it be fake past. And them are somewhere. Hey Charlie, this thing vests me self pass everything for this audience. I they vest too much. No, I divest too much. I divest. I won't cool down. I divest too much. If we dey talk, some of you no go listen. Oh, then you go check and see if some of us be sell out. Make I tell people something. You go check and see some people that follow Wale be sell out or anything. Before we even go there, make we get this thing straight. Shatta Wale no do anything for me for my life before. And they follow Wale with my heart. You know why? Because I dey like Wale. Oh, see some foolish but I block you. Who they don't count. Who Jimmy Yame block you. We they talk me answer for you. I they follow Wale because I they like Wale in song. Where they like the movement. So me I join SM. You know see I join SM say I be SM, but I they support SM movement. Me and Shatta Wale they talk about insure for UK for long now. Oh, as I go block you again. Me I can't see there say about chat to create. Me they mean chat to create. Me they blocking kwa. You understand? Make I tell you something. So, you Wale, I did that way blade. This blade say blade. Me, I can't write blade. I know can't write blade. I did that way blade can't write me. He talk some things. He talk some things. It may be secret things. I don't need to come and talk for here. Because if we say we go inside, Pepper go come. Make we take that put aside.
So last night, I called my parties for some small sitting. The girls come. Even my crush self come. The boys too come. We chop where we drink fine. Next thing, waitress bring my bill. I check my pocket. Charlie, I short 6 Ghana cedis. Hey, then I remember say I get FlexiPay. Where I go flex them. I tell them all the things they can do with FlexiPay. Where I share my code with them, make them sign up. As they start, they sign up. No, I did get 1 Ghana cedi each. I just call the waitress. Where I pay them with FlexiPay. I flex them. And 1 Ghana cedi when you sign up on FlexiPay app. You will receive a code. Share it with your friend or loved ones, and you will receive 1 Ghana cedi again when they sign up. Keep sharing. Keep earning.
FlexiPay. Endless possibilities.
You understand? Make we put that for aside. He can't tell me say, okay, we they come UK, so. I say, Bema, a day, problem no day. Me a day inside, problem no day. One side, a day inside. That time, if Wale only go pop up, if maybe they need something, but that be the life of most of the Ghanaian self when they think say them be big boys. It be so then they only go hit you up when then they need something. But on a normal day, they will not even talk to you. Then they say, oh, I know they need anything. You don't talk to them, so they don't go mind you. It be so most Ghanaians day. But if they need something, they know how they go come. Hey, Charlie, what they go on? Hey, Charlie, they go come sweet. Are them are somewhere. I try, so this issue I talk, I try solve them through text messages. I try solve them through phone call. Still, you know the work. So now I just go come Facebook and do my thing. You understand? Now I just go come Facebook and do my thing. Because if I try so, in manager, they way manager can call. In manager, Julio can call me, say, oh, them they come, oh, what be the action? Tell them, say, hey, problem no day. Problem no day. If you go come, we go spoil everything. Problem no day. And now you make Mango make arrangements for your coming and everything. Listen, oh, you know, be saying somebody where you know where you can hit me, I them are somewhere. Kill me if you don't make arrangement with me are there. I know be them people where Shatta Wale they come, oh, I they go. I'll be big boy. I'll go wait for you two to come and write me. Respect me. Say, brother man, respect me. Can't write me. We go vibe. Oh, bro, how will they go make you do so and so. It be so. That be how brothers they roll. Me, I no be fan. I will not follow Shatta Wale. If Shatta Wale go somewhere, I will be part of the convoy. People will be snapping. I will not be snapping Shatta Wale. I'm a big boy. It's true. You understand? Must we talk here? So what? My friend, come on for there. Why Wale be God? Your mother said, I go block you if you fool. Why Wale be God? So I mean, there's somewhere where you can talk to me, where you make arrangements and everything for your coming and everything. No, but as he say, you people the airport. You know be the airport, you know be you come where you know link me, no. But what's the point of you coming to make arrangements with me? Telling me, say, make I bring Rolls Royce and things. You understand? Where you then me go make arrangement. If I dey bring Rolls Royce, it not be you Wale where you dey pay. It be me I dey pay for the Rolls Royce. You understand me? So if you can't talk to me, say make arrangement for you, where I make arrangement for you, where you can't disrespect me to the point where you can't reach airport. You can't reach airport self at I write you say, but you what's up? You tell me say you go link me up, give me date till they come, make arrangement for cars and things. I make arrangement. Now you can't reach airport to waiting. You know reply me. Cause yeah, blame now why say amotium pompono. Why say pompo eda amotium. Blame now why say pompo eda amotium. You blame be you can't write me. When you can tell me so I see they come say make a day or make a tell you say a problem no day. Me a day forget everybody. And they write you say Charlie what they go on. Who say I no call Wale? Make you no make a verse. Who say I no call Wale? Who say I no call Wale manager? Who say I no test Blade? Make I tell you, them people all them be fake. Blade, that Blade, they be Babylon nigga. That guy, hey, make it delete my number. I don't know where he go get. If Wale to take my number, give him where he can't write me. Make it. I give him warning self. Shut your mouth, I'll shut your mother in pussy, I'll block you. Today I say, Wale fans now, you comment your name, I'll go block you. Mudia Musimunka say, oh, it be true. Wale for change small, you they lie, Uma, I block you. Kwasia for ya, I block you, Uma, I block you. Kwasia for na Musimun Shanyansa. If somebody they do something, you know, go be talk, say, oh, yeah, what the person do, you know, cool. You understand? You, Wale, everybody, I they give you the, I they give Wale much respect. I they tell you, people, I they give Wale much respect. Where sometimes if he go call you when he they need, we go pick. He go call, maybe he call her, I go pick, I go talk to him, he go call him, he no go pick. You understand? You go call him, he no go pick. You go do something, your mother, you to your father and your mother, back my block you. May block him because phone you now, because guess what? You see my request list. More than 10,000 people are waiting. Oh, you talk too much. But also call me check. The list, you know, in comfort 20,000 on person mobile. My friends. Itu Jimmy ya back na my audio before from. Me can kelemu. Me keodi. Me I know they need no apple. Fame na on Facebook no. And in the editor bill. And yen in the editor bill. Aha. And yen editor bill. You understand? But I know cool. You know be cool. Me I know where these things all they come from. But I make quiet. I know why Wale they start to get hate than things, but I make quiet. I don't want to talk. Wale, I know. If they watch me right now, if any of your boys is there with you, they watch me right now, me, I know. You understand? Me, I know. But me, I make quiet, they watch you. But me, my message pay for Wale pay. My message pay for Wale pay be say, Wale, make I tell you something. You see this world where we dey inside, eh? We don't take this world go anywhere. We know they take that be one. We don't take this world go anywhere. Where Wale, nobody defeat nobody. Who say I no call Wale, don't vex me. Don't take this world go anywhere. You understand? Where, Charlie, if brother man they show you love, you for respect that. Yeah, you for respect that. You for respect the love. Make you not disrespect me by blocking me for WhatsApp and blocking me for Facebook. You know be God. If Kyodi can't talk more, people don't really like her, but Wale no be God. I they like Wale. I feel play Wale in songs for my car inside right now. You understand? But Wale no be God. Yeah, Wale no be God. Where it be about time where Wale for do what? Wale for treat people. For treat people right. Yeah, for treat people right. Me, Kyodi, dear, Wale no do me anything. I make my mind say, I no go fuck with Wale again. I make my mind say, I no go day Wale income. Like there's nothing like SM. Nah. Yeah, nah, nothing like SM. I know day inside. I know day inside SM again. I know they did Shatawale. I know they did Shatawale. I know Kanye can't dish Shatawale, say Shatawale dish. Me, I know say Shatawale will not be real to me. Maybe Shatawale be real to other people, but me, I see say Shatawale be somebody who no be real. Shatta no be real. Ebenezer, whatever. Watch your blog. Okay. So today, this live video I did do no. This live video I did. People talk the truth. Talk the truth. Wale text me message say, see Wale in reason. See Wale reason why Wale give me. Wale tell me say, you mingle with other artists too much. Listen, say Onim Bibiaka. See what he can tell me. You mingle with other artists too much. I don't like that. Ebenezer also Oko but person blocking for bear set. Person blocking Wale for bear 1,000. Wale and Rizzy give me say you mingle with other artists too much. Who be you, cry? I'm bigger than your fucking family. My block you, Pauko. Wale and Rizzy be say you mingle with other artists too much. I don't like that. Which other artists you people ever see say I promote for my Facebook before? Which artists? Shatawale, your main boss, your boss. We all know say the government, you know, they do what? They want team up against your boss. Me at the stand, at the support them because I know say it no be so the thing day. I know say the man get clean heart for Ghana. But I know say people want do what? People want sabotage the man. Where this thing that they do, everybody knows say, oh, Shatawale and boy bio. We challenge they support, they give full support. We always say make we support on our own Ghana people. You understand? We all say make we support on our own Ghana people. You know, say we they hate Wale. When you say this live video, I they do where they this Wale. Cause you're your mother. Oh, but yeah, cause you're your mother, but my mother, and even me myself, I get money past your father and your mother. Yeah, so all the fake people just comment, you go chop block. If you comment, your comment will not last 2 minutes. You understand? So you Wale, you know say they are there for you. When you know say me anytime, the truth be saying, I not do Wale wrong oneself. Anytime Wale go call me, I go answer him. Bizam, he go tell you. Anytime in Wale go call, I go answer. But Wale, they see say he be God for worship him. You understand? Wale, they see say he be God for worship him. You see the people them they follow Wale. Blade like this, Wale go fit slap Blade right now. Blade go talk say, yes, Amasa, thank you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Thank you. I love you. It's true. Your mother, you too, your father and your mother, my block you. You understand? Yeah, you see that last year, people are commenting, didn't last 2 seconds. It's true. No, it's true. Let's talk the truth. Let's talk the truth. You understand me? I know they like fake. I know they like fakeness. If we say we go do things, if we say we go talk things where you go check like secret things. One thing where about me, we say, I they tell you more times, I know they like the fake. You understand? Be yourself say, what Pope Skinny I take do Wale? What Pope Skinny I take do Wale? But by the time where Wale go realize, he go lose all the real people around them. He go lose everybody. Yeah, Wale go lose all the real people around them. He go lose them. I they tell you, Wale go lose them. He go lose all the real people around them. You understand? Wale go lose all the people around them. If Wale no take time, he go lose all the real people around them. He go lose. He start to lose them. Me I know get anything again. Nat, you know see a day life, they call come and number. Oh. Yeah, we they love Wale. So any SM fan where they understand what are they talk, where they take in time, they relax, they listen to him. May God bless you. Yeah, I always they talk. The dirty people too way them they sell kerosene. Where they make them a mind say them no go educate them but they full in so on. Me block him. You see that thing? Yeah. Sometimes if they perform some loose talk if you're not a talk because you there UK, you won't make UK people happy. So you say Ghana is a village. Ghana is a village. But if the Ghana there where he left where he can't perform for the O2 there, no. Yeah, it be the same Ghana there where he left, where he can't perform for the O2 there, no. But I say Ghana is a village. Repeat after me, Ghana is a village. Who says that? I watch the thing, I reach that place where they shake my head. Ghana is a village. The girls are not pretty. They are not pretty. I be same Ghana where you left, where they come, where they can't perform. No. The same Ghana no, where you left, where you come, where they can't perform. No. You understand? So if you people, you did that way, we they talk something, listen to what they talk. We love Shatawale, but me if Shatawale lose me right now, at least I won't make you lose me, then take less sense, make you not lose somebody again. Yeah, I know they won't make Shatta go lose somebody again. So at least me, I go tell her my mind. My mind where me, people no fit tell them no. Me, I go tell them, so you not go lose next person. So say Shatta go change 1 or 2. Nat, I go start the diss you. Nat one or whatever. I go start the diss you for Facebook. Oh. I dey do live. You dey call me. You know say I dey live. You still dey call me. This is what you people dey do. You shut that. You know say I dey live. You won't interact the live. So I go start the diss you for Facebook. They go do as if KOD I do something bad. I dey live video. You dey call me for WhatsApp. Oh. You understand? So we talk. Make people listen to what we talk. You understand? We all we there here. We all we dey love Wale. No be say we know they love Wale. We all they love Wale. We all we dey love Wale. No be say we all we know they love Wale. We all they love Wale. But I do a Wale for cool down small for certain things. We Wale for respect every human being. Every human being they Wale in body be make Wale. I beg some number not one they call me they want try say want distract the video. If you call again, make everybody day one. I just go block your number. Then I'll come back. I just go block your number, then come back. But we be fucking wild for what they do, no? Because you know say a day life where they just they call me. Why no go wait make I finish the life? Or you no go message me if you want to tell me something. Junior Munina, Junior, you did some of you people say you know fit talk. You Junior Munina, you boy you get problem. You know fit voice at me. Nimse musruana. So you the fear say Wale no go.
Who rules the mic this year? Who takes home that enviable 100,000 Ghana cedis recording contract and more? Will it be Amachi, Ezra Tamba, OV, or a wow? Come and support your favorite contestant to fame at the grand finale of the MTN Hitmaker 7, happening live on Sunday, 25th November 2018 at the Accra International Conference Center at 7 p.m. sharp. On stage will be the MTN Hitmaker legends, Material, Togbi, Koitakra, Kiddy, Girl Song, Feeder Rhymes, and Kwame Eugene. To vote for your favorite contestants, download the MTN Hitmaker app on Google Play Store to vote or text his or her name to short code 1747 across all networks. And now, guess what? You can also reserve your seat on the MTN Hitmaker app. Admission is absolutely free. MTN Hitmaker 7 is supported by Second Image Beauty Academy, Holy Trinity Spa and Health Farm, Sugar Copper. MTN Hitmaker 7. Rule the mic everywhere you go. MTN.
Junior Munina mu complaining underground, but mu to me by out in Bekasa. You poor if you complain underground, Charlie Wale no they try, Wale no be real, Wale on your real, but Munina mu to me kasa, mu ba live video, na mu ayedi, na mu kasa, na mu di fifa nchen, na mu di fifa nchen. Junior Munina sa, Junior enjoy my life right now. I dey talk, I know the fiam. Junior, everybody go call you can't talk. Oh, Charlie Wale dear, Wale no be real, oh, Wale no they try, but mu ba life amu to me bakasa. Na Wale di yamu, na mu to me kasa, na Wale di yamu, edia na mu pe. Edia na mupe. Go away, I'll block you. You two on your way. Ma block you. Uma make sure ma block you. Junior US. You can't complain. But bad live video on to me in Kasa. Bad live video. Now on to me body in Ukraine. And he doesn't promote my song. My brother, if you have problem, come and talk. Don't come and call me or don't do live video now. If you find change, let the person who Johnny Pano few Junior US, you know. You don't complain to me. Just don't complain to me again. Come and complain to Facebook. Come and tell Facebook people your problem. If you are trying to solve things behind closed door and the person doesn't mind you, still the person come Facebook and complain. And then your back report to say, Gino go do something. I know they lie. Kyodi go do life for me. But Kyodi can't call you to try to solve the problem. Did you listen to him? Did you listen to Kyodi? When Kyodi came to call you to solve the problem, did you listen to Kyodi? When KOD came to call you to solve the problem, did you listen to KOD? You didn't listen. But we live video, my shot as a CR. Or best at here, KOD, that guy, he sell out. You see what I tell you? These people all them be sell out. Do you know the meaning of sell out? The person has called you. The people have called. I have messaged you. I have tried to call you. You know they respond. If you want to tell your mind, then you go tell your mind. Yeah, but Facebook now, baby, big it no. Hey, you see what? No, na Junior Munina slow. Junior Munina slow. Junior US when your man Fred KOD. Junior US, is this enough? You see that Junior US enough comment? You say Junior US enough comment? Junior US, you say if you make a talk your mind. If you get problem where you say the person know the man you. I talk your mind. Can't write them your mind. Then that one there who can't write you. Who not try soft things out with Wally? Everybody try soft things out with Wally. Everybody. Wally no listen to nobody. No, not. Facebook be important to me right now past the business call. God bless you, but let me finish the live video. As I hit up, business should wait for now. I'm not feeling bossy. I respect you so much. You are my big brother. But please, let me attend to Facebook people. Business can wait. Business always comes and goes. Human being is more important sometimes. Not one. God bless you, but I will not take your call for now. God bless you. Let's continue. You understand me? So Junior mu ka Facebook omu beka no mu di pakpo shito any meko sha asem ni mu any you Junior you do song make Odi I post the song for you. Wale no post the song for you. You can't complain to me say Wale no post the song for you. Wale no post the song. I do some song be Wale no post. Long ago Wale no post the song. I no care. Me needing you no. I no be artist. I just they have fun. I no need. Junior, you do song. Wale no post them. You can't complain to me say Wale no post them. I post the song for you. I post the song. People share them. People like them. You can't tell me say. You can't tell me say. Oh, you not be happy with the way Wale they treat you. You can't tell me. If you put no fit speak, I go fit speak for you. Yeah. If you put no fit speak, I go fit speak. I go fit speak for you. You understand? If you put no fit speak, I go fit speak for you. You can't report Wale to me. You can't tell me. Now tell you say, oh, Wale there, it be so. It be so. It be so it day. It be so it day. But how you go do? How you go do? How you go do? You Junior, you can't do live video. Obey live video no. You can't talk. You can't talk. You can't talk. Now, Odi, Wale, the things I do give Wale, that this not be sell out though. This not be sell out. No, make I tell you something. That be your problem. Your problem is say if somebody do something, somebody do something where the person can't talk, no, it be sell out. I don't know you for your definition of sell out. I don't know your definition of sell out. I don't know. Maybe people get some different definition for sell out. I don't know what be the definition of sell out. If brother man do something where you know consult brother man, where you can't Facebook they do this, it be different. You know how many times I call Wale never when last week or last 2 weeks or something, Wale call me video call. I missed the call. I call him back straight away. Last 2 weeks. Please, Wale. Last 2 weeks. I call him back straight away. You go call Wale, he go cut you. 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 See some foolish mudu alabana Wale won't so kwasia for she kwasia ni bi asem na eka ni nyina onu be yi adi ma block you ma metwe ma block you kwasia. You see foolish people so they follow Wale that boy ama Wale tima ye ni de kwasia for no dosu. Better people Sekle Moses Nyamin Shao, one of the loyal people. I they tell you Sekle Moses, you know I talk to you, I tell you say Wale they do something I no like. Sekle Moses, I they lie. I talk to Sekle Moses. I talk to Manaf. I talk to Manaf. Say Manaf, why they do something I know they like. I talk to Duke D2. I talk to Duke D2. Say Duke, why they do something I know they like. I send Wulio an audio note. None of them can tell me say. None of them can tell me say, oh KOD, we go talk to Wale and get back to you. None of them. None of them. So you know be say people go talk say if anything try talk to Wale. Wale why na adwin say onu dia ni onu beka ye fine now. Wale aye na adwin say bema will your craba no beka wasem obepo na sum. Onti obia o. Wale dia why na adwin. So you know be say nobody go to see Wale or nobody go through places to try and talk to Wale. They can tell you people something. You understand? Yeah. You understand? You know, we say nobody try say you go talk to Wale. So yeah, man, mamumba numbeka say, don't try and say like you prove loyalty. Like wale me go there, go their life. Ma go disino ma ukra ma na block him with Jimmy. With Jimmy papa show who ye grassini be ma papa. Hey wale, go the can do life for you. I go this some. Where go this have you block me? With Jimmy papa Junior. See say Junior, he dey laugh. Junior, you know what are they talk? Junior, you know say kill the obeba be can argue. Missy media say bibi be kumi wo wiase hanuma ebe ya nukre pe na ebe kumi nukre pe e wo wiase na ebe kumi wo atare amehye enye bibi enti na mehye atare we o wo missy stand with men's good enye bibi enti na mehye atare we it be because everybody was against the man. Yeah, everybody was against the man. So I feel say obetimi aye o brother penny obetimi aye o uncle obetimi aye bi mu kra papa etem boni kra na why 2 years ago yam bonu kronfo 3 years ago yam bonu kronfo afi na ye bonu kronfo. Yeah, so I say no, I go do what? I go take this money back, because if you watch Nana Pia served Ghana for how many years? 5 years as a member. Where right now the government for Ghana make them mind say they could team up against him. We know. And your government has stopped Papa Nanka. Saka Papa is still operating. So me, I make my mind say no, I won't let the government make we look like Nana Pia be the bad person. You understand? Yeah, me, I be smart person. Me Jimmy, me him said them they sabotage the man. What collapse banks be pray, and then Ukraine, Mama banks be pray, collapse. It is true. Nana Pia, Oba Ayano, Obia di Nisika Koho, because now he was doing a good deal. You understand? Yeah, no, don't leave. If I leave, make nobody leave. People make them stay with Wale. You understand? Make them stay with Wale. Make nobody leave. So me, I come at the support Nana Pia. Where this same Nana Pia where the support? Same Nana Pia be the one where he do what? He sign most of you people. We know they men's good. We know they xylophone. But sake of the man get clean heart, where the man is here to help Ghanaians, where they support the man. Wale, you know. Wale, no. We nobody sign us. Nobody give us 1 city. But more, you see, loyalty be the most important thing. Not be money. No, don't you not be all the followers with them fool. You know be all the every team get foolish followers. Beam Nation kwasia for go. We have friendly say your friendly say Samini group no kwasia for go. So it be normal to have foolish followers. But foolish followers, and so now we have to educate them with blocking. Who block you? Mambeka kusiana and no maba. You understand? Yeah, well, you know, say I dey kill myself. They support Nana Pia. Plenty people they threaten me. Ibrahim Munyina threaten me. Many alien Munyina be have a problem. Giddy. You understand? They support somebody, and they support somebody where I believe in the man in dreams. But me, the man said no. You know, Sammy. Me, the man said I not chopping 1 city before. But it says no, the man get vision. The man get vision for Ghana. Make we not break the man. You understand? Make we know. You know. This are the talk you know. I know. You know. Wale, what are the talk you know? And the support Nana Pia. Hey, me pay everybody. It reach some point say everybody make quiet. Me pay the support the man. You know why? Because it not be anything you think about this Nana Pia man. Think about this man. See, think about this thing. Think about this thing. Then think about this man. You understand? The man 5 years. You know we say being way ran away. You know we say the man way ran away. You know we say the man way ran away. But it be the government to stop him. When the man they try come back, self, the government still they want to destroy the man. Where you Wale, you know this thing. But still I stand. Hey, at the fire ministers, I know they care. I they put my life at risk, you know. I know they care. I'm not saying I don't know the man. See, I met the man like twice. That be all. I don't know the man from anywhere. I don't know Nana Pia from anywhere. I met the man twice. Twice in Krano. I quite say, "Usu ye Ghana, you know, say, oh, are you okay? Oh, thank you, no. You understand? I support the man. You people say wait and sign you because you Wale like this. If you can't talk right now, everybody go talk say, hey, Wale they talk because the man signed Wale. So if Wale can't talk, give the man. Everybody go see say, Nana Pia Sheda no signing Wale. Say nebe oye bibia Wale beba beka. You understand? You understand? But we just want a heart inside because we they believe say the man no be scammer. The man is not here to scam Ghana. So we just want a heart inside where we they support Nana Pia. This t-shirt where I do, me now I do this t-shirt where I do wear. be nobody do for me. Me not do, and I'm proud. See, I they wear this T-shirt for everywhere. I be proud. See, I be proud. Self, if the blogger self right, Nana Pierre's brother, that one self be blessing. That one self is enough. It be blessing for me, because the man is smartness. Minyanka be smart like that. Minyanka, me to me, the man he was rich already before he started doing this xylophone and men's good. He was rich already. And I mean, maybe Nana Pia Beka so the Sika ko you say this is what we did. I don't know. Nana Pia Odi Nina Yesika Okodin Wahe. Okodi Sika no Ghana for China say Bibi I also Mujim. Nana Pia Scami Ghana phone no tam scanner. Okodi Sika no Wahe. Tell me. Nana Pia Kodi Sika no Wahe. Nana Pia Okodi Sika no Wahe. You understand? Nana Pia Kodi Sika no Wahe. So what? I support Nana Apia. I support the man. If I be somebody that can give up long time, the way somebody support the man, somebody say could be say, why can't they give her money? Plenty people. Killed it. Why killed it and give her money? Killed it and give Katie. Why killed it? Why killed it to support the man? Yeah, it be serious. So Ibrawan, Kwasia, Ibrawan and Nikoti Akiti, Ibrawan, Jimmy Nimbia see Ibrawan. Yaka, Mumpese Beka. Mbese mushe benz se me car ni de car media ma talk out be ma ebi mbeka say two no. I'm happy say me ye two no. I'm happy say me ye two no. Bi mami ke bi ma uma ade je mi be ke bi ma uma yo bi akoboni I no do them anything. If you wish me well, I dey wish you well. Oh.